Pop the balloon!
Drop it.
Hi mga brad! Nandito na naman po tayo sa walang kakwenta-kwentang vlog dahil nawawala na naman po kami. Nandito po kami sa park with the family. Makikita nyo doon yung see that one? Where is it? See. So, that's the balloon. Pero parang hindi siya hot air balloon kasi wala siyang hot air na nanggagaling. Parang mechanical lang yata siya. At nawawala tayo ngayon at hinahanap nila ang kanilang mga sarili. Tingnan natin yung mapa. And this is the map of the park. Yeah, and this is our point of origin. And then this is the whole park. Ngayon mga brad, nasa park tayo na tinatawag nilang family park. Pero parang nasa lost park tayo. Yan po yung mga nawawala, mga kasama ko. Yeah, that's the only food court. And I know that's the only thing that we will go here, that we came here. Nandalan tayo ng mga pailaw-ilaw nila, mga tubig na sumasayaw. Yan po. Yan. Nakaka-relax silang tignan. What a beautiful place. Ayan na. O yung balloon, bumaba na siya. Bumababa na yata siya. Yan o. Nandyan yung skyline. Very beautiful. Hey companions, where are you? So nahanap na yata nila ang kanilang mga sarili. So tayo nang gagayak. Okay, yung mga art nila dito. Ayan. Arabic, hindi makita eh. Ano? Oh, puro football. Yan oh. Oh, so ang theme nito siguro football. Yan. Oh. Yan, may iba't ibang booth. Don't tell me boys, you're tired. Wow! If you want something, you're not getting tired, ha? Oh. May nakita siyang very interesting para sa kanya. Kaya lumakas uli siya, mga brad. Yan. Let's go there, over there. Is that Daiso? Is that Daiso, mommy? Some of the stores nandito. And there's what can you buy there, Sensen? Happy ka na? Ha? Oh, for Lucky Charm mo. Meron din mga plants doon. Ano? Balloon. Balloon. Animals sila. Rabbit. Kalapate. Mga ibon.
Mama, press this phone to
Plants. At dahil mali ang outfit namin ngayon, walang lamig. Kaya nag-aalis siya ng sweater. Ganon din ako. Nalis ko na rin ang jacket ko. Dahil wala yung malamig na hangin.
جد عندهم ايه؟ بصر لي هاي في عندهم ارنب كبير
He bites? Yeah, he bites her. He bites.
Nakita niyo yung tortoise one?
Yeah.
Tortoise? Wow. Hi. Hello. How are you? My name is Brad. Koy for short. Hello. How are you? Milyagi. Come on, put the snake. I'll challenge you. I'll go.
Why me?
Yeah, why not? You're brave.
Take me a picture.
I'll go. You, ate. Would you dare? Yeah, there.
Maybe.
Okay. Mamili na dun. Just go near. Like that, oh.
And then I will take picture. Come on.
No. I'll go. Go, go. Yeah, ate. Look here, ate. Wow! Ah, nice. Wow, very brave. Perfect. Oh, you also. Sen. His brother also, bro. Go, go. Good job, ate. Wow! Matapang. Wow, yes. Wow! Galing naman na ng nanong ko bibigtin ka na. Ay! Nako. Wow! What snake is that, brother?
Corn snake.
Oh. Nice one! Good job, you have ramen. Okay, thank you. You know also you like? Thank you. Oh, nandito na tayo sa mailaw na lugar. Ayan. Nahanap na namin yung hinahanap ni Donan, no? Yeah. Welcome to Qatar Airways Garden. Wow! Yun. Kailan kaya uli natin makikita yan?
No.
Replica lang yan.
Flower.
Ah, flower? Wow. It's flowers.
على العدد.
Nice. Yan o, lapitan natin. Yan o, flowers. See? What? Are you sure?
عندي مامي animals
Nice. I need to repeat again. I need to go there again. Let's go around the world. Oh, this is the Big Ben, right? This is Tower, Pisa. Oh, Pizza. Pisa. Oh, Eiffel Tower. Oh. Paparamdam. Oh, Pearl.
Are you from?
Come again.
Are you France? Because
Why?
I fell for you.
Oh, ano to? Constellation? Mami, what's that? Wow! Kala ko naman, constellation. You go there. Go run. Go. Where are you? Ano? Wala, ang daming bangat. Marami pa kayong mga bangat. Yes, Orido. What are those? They're white people. And our food is Japanese. It's ramen, true ramen, and baked sushi. Happy na naman yung dalawang matatakaw. Ayan. Let's go. Tingin naman tayo sa kalangitan. Brad. Sisilip si boards.
المزيد المزيد وصور بالبروف عندك من تحت
Sir, what to see there?
بتصور صوره الوضع الليلي صح مش محتاج الوضع الليلي
Uy, silip ka ng silip.
اضاءه كبيره حلوه
What to see there, sir?
جوبيتر
You can see the Jupiter. Oh. You go.
لا بس تمام ماشي اوكي
Don't touch, sir.
دونت تاتش بليز
Oh, you can see? Yeah, no. Yeah, you're not allowed to
دمون
touch.
لا تلسكوب لا تلسكوب
Very sensitive.
استر بس نوت فيكس استر
I will take a bigger look.
Jupiter's their big red spot.
Big one, ha?
لو سمحت
That's the moon, not
Para siyang moon. What to see there, sir?
Saturn
Huh?
Saturn
Yeah?
Saturn
Ah, Saturn. Oh, uy, that's the Saturn.
next please next
Oh.
next
Can you see the ring?
Yeah.
Really?
yeah
Can you take me a video? Yun. Wow. Can you see?
It's small. It's only a half. You go first.
Yeah. Nice.
next
Sige, picture mo na baging. Oh, what's that? Ano yan, me? Ha? The moon? Ha? Ano yan, moon?
Yeah.
So yun yung tinitignan. Oh. Take a video mo, take a video. Wow. Amazing. Nice. Ano ba yan? Makabili nga. May buy one take one ba yan? Ha? Looks nice. Amazing mga brad.
The Saturn is so nice.
Yeah. Even the moon. I love the moon. So,
Saturn is so real.
it's like my face before. Bok. Okay.